Hey my readers, welcome back to my channel. So यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ पढ़ी है सेल्फ हेल्प बुक which is the motivational book. I'm going to tell you about like why you should read it and why not. So उसमें मुझे personally क्या पसंद आया and if you're looking for some kind of motivation and kick then you have to just stay tuned with me with the end of this video because I'm going to tell you the five books and it's a very popular one. So I'm going to begin with The Alchemist. This is very popular. It's like following a dream and destiny and the personal legends and the listening to your heart and the spiritual self-discovery. If you're looking for a purpose and being lost now, this one is going to give you a motivation and a kickstart. So this is like you should go with it. Next, we talk about the Tuesday with the Moray. Then you have to begin with this because it's all about life and death, love and relationship, how you have to handle your family problems and everything. The value of the mentorship, which is again very important, meaningful, living full. So yeah, we people are living like we people are living, but what is the purpose behind it? Why it turned out to be that meaningful? This book is definitely going to help you up, so do try it out. Then we talk about the monk who sold his Ferrari. This is something which is very good. I have seen so many people reading it up, and that was the curiosity why I wanted to read this off. So this is one of the thing. It's like a self mastery and the personal growth, inner peace and the mindfulness. And we talk about the simplicity and the over materialism, and we talk about the life purpose, which is again very important. It's like the all the three books which I have mentioned so far, it's all about this discovery and the purpose that people are looking for it, because I have seen so many youth people are like they are doing so many things and still juggling. So this is one of the things through which you can get the purpose of your life, and this is really good. Next we talk about You Can Win. Okay, fine, this is for the Shiv Kera, and I know like half of the people have already read this book, but I have this book in the Hindi textual, so I'm just going to tell you about. It's deal with the positive thinking attitude, the spiritual journey, and the motivational through action, the personal success and the ethics. This is really good. I have just like read half of it. I'm surely gonna complete it up very soon, so you should try this up. And next is Ikigai. If you people are like a fitness freak and if you're looking for some kind of a lifestyle changement, this is like a best book. It's gonna change your mentality and your physical and the overall personality. So this is really must go for this book. This is really good. So it's all about the purpose and the meaningful in life, healthy living and the longevity, and the balance between the work and the passion, joy in everyday routines. So this is really good. You should go for this. And if you're new to my channel, you just have to like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna come up with the new books very soon. So bye.